If your knees hurt, your lower back feels cooked, or your legs never grow, it's probably not the weight, it's your squat, and 90% of people are doing this one move wrong. Here's what I see every single day in the gym. Knees collapsing inward, heels lifting off the floor, back folding like a chair, and people calling it depth when it's actually cheating. The scary part? These mistakes don't hurt immediately. They show up weeks later as pain and zero results. Let me show you the fix step by step. Step 1, foot position. Think of your feet like a tripod. Big toe, small toe. Heel, all three, stay glued to the floor. Feet slightly wider than shoulders. Toes turned out just a little, like 10 to 20 degrees. If your feet are the roots of a tree, your squat will only be as strong as those roots. Step 2, the descent. Before you move, brace your core like someone's about to punch your stomach. Now imagine you're sitting between your heels, not falling forward. Hips go back and down together. Chest proud, eyes forward. Don't stare at the floor like you lost something. Intermediate fixes, knee tracking. Your knees should move in the same direction as your toes. If they cave inward, your glutes are asleep and your knees are paying the price. Actively push the knees slightly outward on the way down and up. Depth check. A real squat isn't about touching the floor. Your hip crease should reach at least knee level without your back rounding. Depth with control beats depth with ego every time. Advanced tweaks, the drive up. Most important part. Coming up, push the floor away. Think heels down, chest up, hips and shoulders rise together. If your hips shoot up first, you're turning a squat into a bad morning exercise. Breathing and bracing. Big breath at the top. Hold it as you go down. Exhale only after you pass the hardest part. Your core is a soda can full of air. It's strong. Empty, it crumples. Remember this: stable feet, strong brace, knees track, toes sit between your heels, push the floor away. Master these and your squat will build bigger legs, stronger glutes, and a pain-free body. If this helped, save this video before your next leg day. Subscribe for more no-nonsense lifting tips. Train smart, train strong.